So you want to make AI covers like this?
Round with a squishy wine you'll never understand.
Subscribe to Dolly my AI VTuber. I stream her on my second channel almost every day.
Don't worry, I got you covered. No pun intended. But before anything, I must warn you that you need that NVIDIA GPU or there's nothing will work. So let's just begin the tutorial.
So here we are in the social web AI cover gen GitHub repository. First of all, you want to install Python. That's like the first thing you should have already. I'm not going to show you how to install it because it's a pain in the dick. You can look for a tutorial on how to install Python. I recommend you to install Python 3.9 because this fucking program works with that. So yeah, let's install FFmpeg. So here we are. First, you want to go to the giant.dev page to install the latest build for the FFmpeg git full 7-zip. After that, we want to extract the files and then go to bin, and here is this is the program. Basically, you just double click on the ffmpeg.exe and install it as a normal program. So after the installation, you want to go to the folder and copy these 3 exes and put it in the local C drive in a folder named path. And after that, you want to go to environment properties. If your computer is in Spanish, it's called literal variables del sistema. Go to environment variables, so variables del entorno. And you want to look for the path tab, and you just want to make a new system variable, and you want to copy the path of where you put the ffmpeg exe files and copy and paste that, and that's all. Please accept everything. So you want to open the CMD in the ffmpeg path folder, just like that, and put ffmpeg. The system can determine that the ffmpeg is already installed. So yeah, it should be no problems with that. And congratulations, your ffmpeg is already installed. Next up, we want to install socks. We want to download it and install it because it's a normal program. And do the exact same thing as you did with the ffmpeg. Go to the system variables, copy the path of the socks exe, and then make a new variable, press OK. And after that, you want to copy and paste the command socks, and open cmd in the socks folder. Paste socks and press OK, and the socks will be installed. Okay, this is the important stuff here. The actual AI cover gen program, you want to clone this repository. You just make a new folder. You create a completely new folder. Call it whatever you want. And you want to copy and you want to type cmd in the folder path. Copy and paste this prompt, this command. When it's already installed, and you want to copy the required models, you just copy and paste this. And if you did everything right, then there should be no problems. There should be no bugs or errors. After that, you want to copy this command here. This is the command that will open the web UI, so I recommend you to save it in a txt file, so you don't have to go to the repository and copy and paste it. Everything happens, and there's the local URL. You wanna Control-C and Control-V in your browser, and here we are in the cover UI. Now you already installed everything. Show you how to upload models. It's not a problem. So you want to use a model, something that is pre-made. Let's use this pipa model here. I'll show you how to do it. You simply click here upload model, you click the model, and that's it. The model is already uploaded on the web UI, and we hit refresh here, and there he is, the Pipa model. Now we're gonna make her sing something. Let's use this song as a reference. I recommend you to play with these options. I have certain options that make the cover sounds better, but you can play it as whatever you like. See you when the cover is ready. Alright guys, this is the cover, let's hear it.
Spooky, oogie, bumper
As you see,
he
it works
orange round old boy.
like fantastic.
He wobble and wobble round the patch, looking for a tasty snack. Spooky, oogie, pumpkin.
This model is pretty good. It's pretty clean, and the covers will sound better depending on how good is the model. I'm gonna try it with this Iron Mouse model that is not very good that I tried earlier.
Subscribe or I'll look for you and say hello, angry face.
So here is the Iron Mouse versions. As I said before, it's not a very good model, so will not sound as good as the Pipa one.
Spooky, oogie, bumper
Still pretty good though.
orange round old boy. He wobble and wobble round the patch, looking for a tasty snack.
Now this is how you make the AI say the funny thing.
So after we download the AI cover gen, which it should be enough to make decent covers. But if we want the funny, I say things like this.
Oh, these are pretty cool bananas.
We want to download the ManURPC program because the AI cover gen duplicates the normal vocals with the model vocals, and it's not good. The two vocals are there. We want to only the AI voice model say things, not the other normal voices there. So we're going to the repository, this hugging face page, and download the ManURPC B23 Infer, because I don't recommend you to download the train version because if you don't have a good GPU, training stuff it's a pain in the dick. It's gonna take forever to even like train a 1% of an AI voice model, so I would recommend you 100% to do that in Google Colab. So we download this program, and after it's downloaded we're going to extract it and look for the go with .bat. We double click and it will automatically open the program in our browser. So this is the ManURPC web UI. So the first thing we want to do is load the model. After you download the model, if you train a model, what you want to do is go to the RPC folder and go to the weights folder. You should put the PTH files that every model has in the weights folder and the index in the logs folder, and that's it. You just simply click reload and the AI voice model will be there. As for how to do it, I recommend you to play with these options. It's not very hard. In this case I'm using the neurosama voice model. I have some funny audios here. Give me a moment and when the cover is ready. Okay guys, here we go.
Donde dice esa mamá la pinche viejo baboso. Déjalo
As you
desinformar a la
see,
gente a la
it
verga.
was
Para
pretty
la
good.
próxima verifique si es buen tipo de su...
To download voice models, and we want to get into this Discord server. This is called the AI Hub. We just simply go to the voice model section and we look for a model. In this case, I will use this Gura one. You just simply copy the link and you paste it in the AI conversion. Say here what it says upload model. So here then where it says download model, we copy and paste and we name it. In this case, Gura. and we click download, and a message will pop up saying, congratulations, your model is now downloaded.
Okay guys, that's all for this tutorial. Don't worry, I'll make another tutorial on how to train a good AI voice model, and I'll even give you some tips on music production so you can make better music covers in general. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now.